footage. Jim Morgan operating the big claw, a very experienced construction professional from Milbacher Construction, has graciously allowed us on the construction site today so that we may witness the last phases of this construction project. It would be difficult to see, but I'm looking into the side of the living room right now, and I could see some of the Z-brick, which was very familiar to us, lining the walls of the living room. Some of the Z-brick, small panel of it, still standing. Only a portion of the living room is still intact, and that's soon to be history as the destructive claw moves closer. There we go. Seeing the wall of the living room. Half of the living room now is down. Only a small portion of my mother's home still standing. This has been an amazing thing to witness, folks. An amazing thing. I really consider this an awesome privilege to be able to capture this. End of an era on video.